How to set homepage in Google Chrome browser. First of all, we need to open our Google Chrome browser. Once we do this, we need to move our mouse to the right top corner to those three dots over here and click on it. Once we do this, over here from the list we need to choose Settings. Once the settings open, on the list on the left side we need to choose On Startup, and this will take us to this section over here. And over here we can choose if when we start our Chrome browser we want to open the new tab page, we want to continue where we left off, or we want to set up a page or set of pages that we want to open every time we open Chrome browser. So this is kind of like a home page. So we can add a new page or use currently open pages. So if you have any page opened, you could click over here, and then every time you open Chrome, it will open the pages that you have opened at the moment. Or you can simply click Add a new page, and then over here you can input the URL address of the page. So let's say I'm going to paste the page of my channel. I'm going to click Add. And as you can see, this is set as the page that will open every time we open Google Chrome. So let's see, I'm going to close this, and then open Chrome again. We will check, and as you can see, there is this page that we've set up as our home page. And as you can see, it's opening. So this is how you can set up homepage in your Google Chrome browser. Please let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.